Students, welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have started the unit number 3rd, Introduction to Computer Network, and we have completed the points Introduction to Computer Network and advantages and disadvantages of computer network. Today, we will see the topic Types of Computer Network, lecture number 2nd. Students, what is a computer network? In previous lecture, we have discussed what is a computer network. So, a computer network is a group of computers connected in a same fashion in order to share resources. Okay, and it is also a collection of autonomous computers interconnected by a single technology. It is known as the computer network. There are three types of computer network. Local area network, short form is LAN. Second, wide area network, short form is WAN. And third is the metropolitan area network, short form is MAN. We will see one by one. First type is local area network, that is LAN. LAN is a group of computers and associated peripheral devices connected by a communication channel, cable, of sharing files and other resources among several users. A local area network, that is LAN, is a computer network that interconnect computers in a limited area less than 1 kilometer, such as home, school, computer library, or office building using a network media. LAN have data rate 10 to 100 Mbps. So, LAN is a group of computers that provide reliable high-speed communication channel for associated information processing device in a small geographical area such as campus, office building, etc. And in a LAN, computers and peripherals are connected through a common media in order that user can access host computer, application file, etc. Okay, so LAN is a smallest network compared to other network. So this figure shows a typical LAN architecture. This is a LAN A. Here multiple computers are connected with each other using a network is known as a LAN network. It is a smallest network compared to other network. So this is a LAN 1. It means LAN A, LAN B and LAN C. Okay. So all LAN is a group of computers that provide a reliable high-speed communication channel associated the information processing device in a small geographical area. And LAN are basically used in college, university, industry, business organization, science and engineering, etc. With the development of LAN, user may achieve a paperless office. Okay, so this is the structure of. Second type is metropolitan area network, short form is MAN. Large computer networks that typically span a large city or campus are called as metropolitan area network, that is MAN. MAN provide internet connectivity for LAN in a metropolitan region and connect them to wider area network like the internet. MAN is a public high-speed network capable of voice and data transmission over a distance of up to 80 kilometers. A MAN is smaller than WAN, it means wide area network, but larger than local area network LAN. Okay, so MAN is a between LAN and WAN. Okay, MAN is a larger than LAN but the smaller than WAN. Generally, MAN can be created by interconnecting two LANs. geographical covered area of man is larger than land but smaller than WAN. So these networks deliver fast and efficient communication by using high speed, that is the fiber optic cable is the example of metropolitan area network. Okay. This figure shows the structure of man. This is a LAN networks. LAN 1, LAN 2nd, LAN 3rd, and this is a metropolitan area network. All the LANs are connected to a metropolitan area network, and the distance of metropolitan area networks is up to 80 kilometers. Okay, so man is the larger than the LAN, okay, and smaller than the WAN. Third type is wide area network, WAN. WAN is a network that connects users across large distance, often crossing the geographical boundaries of cities or state. A WAN provides long distance transmission of data, voice, image, and video information over large geographical areas that may comprise a country or even whole world. WAN connect multiple smaller networks such as local area network and metropolitan area network. So, wide area network is the largest network as compared to the other network. For example, internet is a wide area network, and WAN connect devices of the larger geographical area and users common carrier like the satellite system, telephone lines, etc. So, LAN is a larger than MAN and LAN. This diagram shows the structure of wide area network. Okay. WAN connect multiple smaller networks such as the local area network and metropolitan area network. So, this is the structure or geographical area of wide area network. Today, we have completed types of computer networking. Thank you.